Factoring using the trial and error method. I've written down 3 rules you'll want to follow when doing these problems. The first, which goes for all factoring problems, is to factor out the GCF first. For this particular method, you'll want to start with the factors closest together, as they are most likely to be the answer. And provided you already took out the GCF, you should never pick factors that create a GCF. Okay, now let's do an example. 4x squared minus 4x minus 15. Okay, first notice that there is no GCF for this problem. So we'll move on to setting up our parentheses. The factors closest together for 4x squared would be 2x and 2x, so that's what I'll put in the front of each parenthesis. The factors closest together for 15 would be 5 and 3, so I will put those in the back of each parenthesis. Notice that 2 and 5 have no GCF in common, and 2 and 3 have no GCF in common. Since 15 is in minus 15, we know we'll need one of each sign. 2x times 3 makes 6x. 5 times 2x makes 10x. I need these two numbers to combine to create my negative 4x, which means 10 will need to be the minus and 6 will need to be the plus to get me the negative 4x. Since 10 came from the 5 and the 2, that means they will need the minus sign, and the 2x and the 3 will need the plus sign. This one is factored. Okay, now let's do another example. 2x squared minus 17x plus 8. Again, we'll start by checking for a GCF, and there is no GCF. So I will set up my parentheses. The factors closest together for 2x squared are easily 2x and x. For 8, the factors closest together would be 2 and 4, and we have some choices as to where we can put the 2 and the 4. We could put the 2 here and the 4 here. But in this case, notice that the 2 and the 2 have a common factor of 2. So this cannot be the answer. If we try them in the other locations, with the 4 here and the 2 here, again we notice that the 2 and the 4 have a common factor of a 2. So this is also not the answer. Since there are no other choices for the front, the 2x and the x, we're going to have to choose something different for the 8. 2 and 4 were the factors closest together, but since they created GCFs, we're going to have to use 8 and 1. So I will set up my 2x and my x, and I need to put 8 and 1 in the back. If I put 8 here, I'm going to be creating a GCF again with the 2. So I'm going to put the 1 here and the 8 here. Since the 8 was a positive 8, we know that we need 2 of the same sign, and since the 17 was minus 17, they're both going to need to be minus. Now this one is factored as well.